Hey there, aspiring aerial photographers and tech enthusiasts. Today, we're soaring into the world of camera drones with the top 5 picks for beginner-friendly models in 2024. Drones have evolved to offer incredible features for capturing stunning aerial footage and photos. From ease of use to stability, camera quality, flight time, and intelligent flight modes, we've handpicked the best drones to kickstart your aerial adventures. Join us as we explore these top-rated drones, emphasizing their user-friendly features and capabilities that make them perfect for beginners. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. Links to these impressive drones are waiting for you in the description below. Starting at number 5, the Faith2pro Drone represents an advanced aerial companion designed for enthusiasts and professional photographers. With a remarkable 20,000 feet real-time transmission range, this drone connects seamlessly to your phone, offering expansive exploration capabilities. Featuring a 4K camera equipped with a 3-axis gimbal, this drone ensures stable and high-quality aerial shots. The 4x digital zoom and 110 degrees adjustable lens provide flexibility to capture distant and diverse perspectives, making it ideal for versatile shooting scenarios. Boasting an impressive 64-minute flight time with 2 intelligent batteries, the Faith2pro allows leisurely exploration without the rush of shorter flight durations. Its GPS capabilities, including return to home, GPS follow me, and waypoint fly functions, ensure safe and reliable flights, even in windy conditions with its level 7 wind resistance. The built-in brushless motor guarantees quiet and stable flying experiences, giving users complete control even in adverse weather. The Faith2pro Drone offers exceptional performance, extended flight time, and versatile shooting functionalities, making it a top choice for those seeking long-range exploration and high-quality aerial imaging. At number 4, the Potensic Mini Drone, known as Atom, packs impressive features into a palm-sized design, making it an excellent companion for adventurers. Its foldable and compact build ensures portability, allowing users to take it along on any escapade. Equipped with a 12MP camera capable of recording 4K 30fps videos, the Atom GPS drone delivers decent image quality. The 3-axis brushless gimbal guarantees steady footage even in windy conditions, providing a reliable and smooth filming experience. Using the upgraded PixSighting 3.0 technology, this drone achieves stronger anti-interference capabilities and a longer transmission range of up to 6 kilometers. The intuitive remote control ensures easy maneuvering and control, offering a hassle-free flying experience for both beginners and experienced pilots. The drone's creative features, including visual tracking and quickshot modes, enhance its usability, enabling users to capture moments creatively. With a flight time of up to 32 minutes on a single intelligent battery, the Atom Mini Drone empowers users to explore farther and longer, capturing breathtaking views along the way. At number 3, GEPRC Cinelog20 O3 Drone is a sophisticated solution tailored for intricate indoor shooting demands. This 2-inch hoop continues the legacy of the Cinelog series, emphasizing lightweight construction, enabling smooth navigation in confined spaces, and supporting multiple video transmission systems like LinkWAS, O3 Air Unit, WalkSnail, and Analog. Designed with a pusher configuration, this drone ensures stability during flights. The revamped camera gimbal vibration reduction offers a stable platform for shooting, particularly when using the O3 Air Unit, providing excellent anti-shake effects even without mounting an external camera. Its power system, featuring SPEDX213 O3 500 kV motors and GEP F400 and 1135 AAIO, alongside Emax 4-blade propellers, delivers quiet flights with extended battery life. With a one-piece injection-molded camera mount, the Cinelog20 supports various light and small action cameras for versatile shooting experiences. Tuned by the adept GEPRC team, this drone offers delicate and flexible flight controls, ideal for capturing compelling shots in intricate environments. Compact yet powerful, The GEPRC Cinelog20 O3 Drone caters to filmmakers seeking refined indoor filming capabilities without compromising on quality or maneuverability. At number 2, the FIMI X8 Southeast 2022 V2 camera drone raises the bar for aerial photography with its cutting-edge features. Boasting an upgraded 1/2 48 MP CMOS sensor and quad-Bayer pixel technology, it excels in reducing noise during low-light aerial filming, offering exceptional image quality. This drone introduces a unique megaphone feature that remotely transmits voices or sounds and supports multiple audio files, enhancing capabilities for tasks like search and rescue within a range of up to 100 meters. The large f1.6 aperture ensures optimal light intake for vivid and detailed captures in challenging lighting conditions. Featuring the Rockling 10 km transmission system, this drone allows explorations up to 10 km with a low transmission delay of 130 milliseconds, enabling users to capture the beauty of distant landscapes. Its 3-axis mechanical gimbal and super night scene shooting capabilities deliver smooth and clear footage, even during nighttime shoots. Moreover, the integration of remote ID ensures compliance with flight regulations, while its rain and snowproof design offer peace of mind for safe flights in various weather conditions. The FIMI X8 Southeast 2022 V2 camera drone is a versatile and reliable choice for photographers seeking professional-grade features in a compact and robust drone. At number 1, the GEPRC Cinebot30 O3 FPV Drone introduces a groundbreaking cinematic FPV experience. Adopting DJI's latest O3 Air Unit FPV high-definition video transmission system, this drone stands at the forefront of innovation. Crafted with 70/75 aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, the camera parts ensure durability and vibration isolation for impeccable footage, even at high speeds. What sets the Cinebot30 apart is its ability to transmit 1080p 60 fps real-time images and simultaneously record stunning 4K 60 fps videos with anti-shake capabilities, thanks to the upgraded video transmission system. The fuselage features an enhanced gimbal top plate, allowing seamless mounting of full-size GP cameras and extending battery life to an impressive 10 minutes and 30 seconds with the GP10. Engineered with a powerful 1804 motor, optimized magnetic circuit, and the GEP-F700 and 2245 AIOV2 flight controller, this drone excels in ultra-low altitude shooting while minimizing noise with HU Prop T76NM*3 propellers. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor cinematography, offering endless possibilities for stunning drone shots. The GEPRC Cinebot30, finely tuned by professionals, delivers a silky, smooth flying experience, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike seeking versatility, high-definition imaging, and precise control in a cinematic FPV drone.